When the darkness falls, there shall be a full moon in the sky, and I shall become a wolf loose in the night, thirsting for blood, cursed to walk the earth with a grudge, savage cannibal, half man, half animal. I know you see me on Dateline. It's strange I'll change into this thing that has the face of a canine. Indeed, a killer full of disease. You need some silver bullets for me. My ex-heinous up in Transylvania. In London, I just bit the fuck out of your young son. There are nothing but lunch meat if I catch him. But am I the hunter or the hunted? That's the question. Villagers have formed together to kill me. The silly shit, I'll be going wherever they will be. And I don't give a fuck what you say. Humans are weak, we use them for meat. They're nothing but prey. I'm scared of the light. I'm scared of the light. Wow, they come out at night. Oh, they come out at night. I love to howl at the moon. I love to howl at the moon. Keep your kids out of sight. Keep your kids out of sight. Or they'll be eating tonight. Or they'll be eating tonight. I love to howl at the moon. I love to howl at the moon. I'm sick of people calling me weird, I can't take it. The next thing that you will hear is them praying. See, I have been bitten for years, and let's face it, the world doesn't want me here, but they fake it, giving me those claps and cheers like I was necking. The beast is more off, I see clear. I am a human being, and what you are seeing is a metamorphosis from this morbid kid. I have been forsaken, please don't awaken. He's the equivalent of Satan. I'm contemplating, do you know what you're facing? I am amazing. See, I don't know how to say this. I'm worse than Jason. Fuck your home, go underground, it is the safest. I'm here to rip off your faces, cause I'm a rapist. Do you know what today is? We say your prayers, cause I don't think that you gon' be able to say them later. I'm too scared of the light. I'm too scared of the light. Wow, they come out at night. Oh, they come out at night. I love to hide.